Hi friends, this is Pranay Kumar with Earn with Pranav. Today I am going to show you a method by which you can earn passive income on Fiverr. On Fiverr, basically people offer services for a price. The service can be half an hour, 1 hour, 10 minutes or anything. But today I am going to show you a method by which you can earn passive income on Fiverr. And I'm also going to show you how to market your gigs. So watch till the end. So I'm going to Fiverr. Here it is. We'll search for make money online. Make money online. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll click on this. I'll show you easy method to make money online. I'll give you a hidden secret method of making money online. I'll teach you how to get rich, make money online. I'll show you how to make money online selling t-shirt. I'll show you the easiest way of making money online. I'll show you how to make 300 to 600 money monthly. So let's see one by one. Pick the make money online niche. Let's see one by one. So this is by Lina Bell. Hello everybody, my name is Lina Bell and today through this gig I am going to tell you my secret of making 6,000 a month working just 20 minutes a day. Even if you start today, then you can make 100 a day right from tomorrow. I am making around 200 a day working just 20 minutes a day on the internet. You'll see the screenshot and it'll come in this gig and the rest. Now let's see. You see it's an ebook. It's an ebook. Let's see the reviews. So the reviews are very good. I'll give you a hidden secret method of making money online. Sandhya Angel. Let's see, brand new method to 2019 ready. Make 3,000 to 500 every single month. Are you broke and need some cash? You will never grow broke again. This is not Theme Forest, not a cryptocurrency, no gambling. It's something unique that you can make passive income every month. Making money online without any marketing, promotion, or advertisement, etc. 100% guaranteed. And the rest. Now let's see. The best way to make money online with 2019 ready. For $30 is selling. The reviews are mostly good. Now let's go to another one. I teach you how to get rich, make money online. Do you know how to get rich by doing jobs from home? I mean over $5,000 per month by sitting at home while spending a whole time with your loved ones. Do you like to be self-employed? If so, you came to the right place. This ebook, now see, this is an ebook. Okay, I'll show you how to make money online selling t-shirts. So this is also an ebook. I'll show you the easiest way to make money online. Have you been trying to make money online? What feels like Fiverr? Me too, but I found a simple, easy way to make money online. You see, all of them are selling ebooks. Is a single review is 5-star. I'll show you how to make 300 to 600 money monthly online. Are you struggling to make money for a long time? Well, exactly the same position you are at one point of time. After spending months researching different ways of making darn money, I had a breakthrough. So the same thing, he's also selling an ebook. Very interesting gig, learn something new. Yeah. So all of them are selling ebooks. Now, how to write a make money online ebook? That's the point. Well, for that you have got to search make money online forums. Okay, so I know a good forum. I'm going to that forum. It is called CPA Elites. Niche tutorials and downloads. You see, in the niche tutorials and download section, you have got a lot of niche tutorials. Earn $30 to $300 a day, easy and quick startup guide. Make $2,000 a month on autopilot with viral content and ads. So let's pick this one. Okay, so I've got to log in. Anyway, I will copy the whole method and paste it out here. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the whole method in bullet points, just a skeleton. And then I'm going to expand from that bullet points in my own words. You see, the copyright is on the words. The copyright is on the article itself. The copyright is not on the idea. No idea is original on the internet. So the copy is not on the idea, the copy is on the words. And since I'm writing the whole article in my own words, so there's no copyright on that. I'm not a copyright expert. If you want, you can consult a copyright expert on this matter. But this is the general idea. So write it down in your own words. Go to files. Go to save and send and create PDF document. So you create a PDF document and that's your book, ebook, which once you list your gig by clicking out here, switch to selling, and then list your gig, and in that gig provide that ebook. Once a person orders your gig, you provide that ebook. And now how to get the traffic to that gig? You see, for the first few gigs, to get a review is very hard. So the first gig, you must ask your friend or family to buy that gig. That way you'll get a review. And after that, what the method of which I'm going to show you out here is search for make money online forums. Now search a different forum than which you had selected. Let's go to this first one, Black Hat World. So what you are going to do basically is join the forum and start posting. Once your forum is 1 month old and you have posted at least 30 to 40 posts, or the requirement to post a signature, then go to home, click out here and make a signature. For the signature part, you need a BB code. So I'll type here BB code generator for signature. I'll click the first one. You see, you can create a good signature out here. Just put your URL from the Fiverr out here in the BB code signature. Create a signature and post it out there. Then post regularly on the forum. Try to help out people with their make money online ventures by searching Quora, etc. and writing in your own words. Post on the forums. Try to help people, and when people see you as an authority, they'll click on your link, go to your link and buy the gig. So that was the whole method, guys. This way of passive income on Fiverr. You don't need hours to provide a service. You just need to provide an ebook. Just a person orders your gig, you provide the PDF ebook. That's all. So it's a passive way of income on Fiverr. Totally passive way, and you can earn a good income through it. So if you like my video, guys, please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. This is Pranay Kumar from Earn with Pranav signing off. Have a great day.